System errors causing the TuneUpsmartscan DLL crashes in TuneUp? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before diving into the TuneUpsmartscan technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the TuneUpsmartscan, the TuneUp Utilities Smart Scan core. It executes unmanaged scanning routines against the system registry, temporary folders, and shortcut manifests to identify broken data links. It facilitates the orchestration of the system optimization manifest for the TuneUp suite. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. TuneUpsmartscan is distributed specifically with TuneUp and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of TuneUp to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with TuneUpsmartscan. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. If you're attempting to register TuneUpsmartscan DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If registry clutter or TuneUpsmartscan inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. If this fix repaired TuneUpsmartscan dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.